All right, we're back at it. Got most of my parts in. The 138 70 V3 motor, the motor mounts. This is part of the motor mounts as well. Got my new TIG MIG stick welder. My far driver. This is the brains of the operation. 96 volt, 1000 amp. We got the throttle. We got the motor. We got two sprockets, a 13 and a 14. We got our display. That will be going right here somewhere. Give me all my vitals, battery, so on and so forth. All right, the first thing we got to do is take this stainless steel sleeve and cut it to fit right in between there. Like that. All right. All right, cutting this stainless steel sleeve down to fit over the swing arm nut. All right, got this piece all cut. It goes in right there. And then the motor mounts, the rear motor mounts go here and here. And then the swing arm bolt goes right through to hold it in place. All right. Something like that. All right. Let's see how this works. All right. Motor mount going on. Okay, where's my other nut? Okay, don't fit very well. There we go. Alright. Goes like this. This goes through here. Swing arm bolt goes through there. Got a 13 and a 14 sprocket. I don't know how I want it geared yet. Alright, let's go set this sucker. Alright. This goes in here. It's still got a pinch, one more there. And then the collars there. And there. Goes there or like that. Let's try it like that. All right, at this point, I believe the motor is ready to put into the bike. All right, motor, let's see if you fit. Let's see how you fit. Come on. persuasion. Let's get in there. Oh, there we go. Just kind of popped out just a hair. All right, rear motor mount is in. And the brake will work. Up to the battery. Now, I just have to see. Motor's about where it's going to be. All right. All right, motor's in place basically. Chain's on. Which I don't think I can go with this battery. I think it's up too much. We will see. All right. Go up there. Chain looks good. And I am keeping my rear foot brake, and it clears just by a little bit, but put a washer in right there and that backs it up. All right, coming along, coming along. Guys, I still got to adjust. That's where you get all your chain alignment adjustments here. The rear foot brake is looking good now since I moved that motor up. All right, unfortunately this battery is not gonna work. It sticks up just too high. It's about 2 inches too high. So that's good. Better to know now than after I pay for it. All right, that about does it for now. Making progress. All right, I finally got the motor to sit where it's supposed to sit. It is sitting much lower now. Still unfortunate that the battery will not work. It's just too high. So I'm gonna have to come up with another battery option, which, see, it's about 2 inches too tall. So I will come up with another battery option. Build the rack right from this motor mount to this motor mount here. Have a rack there the battery will sit on top of. But so far so good. I like that I can keep my foot brake. All right. That'll about do it for today.